These aren't your average kebabs. Everyday chef Mari Curiel made an original recipe using Mexican chile guajillo to create a uniquely spicy barbecue sauce that will take normal chicken kebabs and really take them up a notch. They're so flavorful.
This chile guajillo is gonna make like a very tasty Mexican flavor.
Don't worry, we created a step-by-step tutorial so you can make this recipe at home. Stay tuned to learn more about Mari, a super cool lady who loves to cook. My name is Eric Kennan. I've spent the last decade traveling the world in search of the tastiest recipes. I've learned that the best food isn't found in fancy restaurants. It's found in the homes of the everyday people we already know and love. Come with me to discover the stories and recipes of everyday chefs. I first met Mari at Supercuts. As she was cutting my hair, we got to talking, and she told me about her passion for cooking. She invited me over to her place so I could learn her favorite recipe. Out back, behind the house, she has a big barbecue grill. Where the kebabs happen. Yeah, it's kebab time. Mari is proud of her Mexican heritage and has colorful Mexican artesanía decorating her backyard. She got the veggies out and got to work. But the most important ingredient is the dried chile guajillo. This chile is delightfully smoky and sweet and is used throughout Mexico for good reason. Mari is going to blend the chile with garlic and other spices to make her barbecue sauce. This special blend is bursting with flavor. Mari told me that she feels like she is painting when she brushes the chicken with her special sauce.
It makes me so happy when I do kebabs.
Grilled jalapenos will complement this dish.
They're ready. Ooh, looks good, but it tastes better. Hola, mi nombre es Mari Curiel. Esta es mi especialidad, los Mexiterranean Kebabs. Espero que les guste. Woohoo! Yes. Ooh.
Wow, Mari, you have really outdone yourself. These kebabs are amazing. Be sure to watch the instructional video so you can make Mari's masterpiece at home.